How is it?
Very nice. Insane. Awesome.
Hey everyone, welcome to Utopia Creating the Paradise. I hope you all are fine and safe. I know we all are struggling badly with pandemic, but keeping faith and praying will help us to be calm in this situation. This phase will pass soon. So let's begin with today's video. Kids were asking some evening snacks and I saw two bananas looking at me, so thought to prepare some muffin. I have not followed any particular recipe, just use whatever I have in hand and which goes well with each other. So I have taken two big size bananas cutting into slices. These are well ripe bananas, so I am adding just 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder. Now I am mashing bananas with the help of fork. We can make paste in mixie also, but I prefer this is better. Now adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, cinnamon powder half teaspoon, banana and cinnamon powder, this flavor goes well. Adding ghee 1/4 cup, you can use butter as well. Mix well. Dark cocoa powder I am adding 2 tablespoons. Here I have taken old-fashioned oats. You can use regular oats also. 1 cup oats. Mix it well. Adding baking powder half teaspoon. I am making eggless, so I am adding soda bicarbonate 1/4 teaspoon. This is the regular soda which we use in the kitchen. I kept oven for preheating 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Here I am arranging muffin liner in muffin pan. Now filling batter in each muffin liner. I tried my hand on cake, few varieties I baked, but this was first time I tried muffin, so I was also excited and kids too. So with this measurement we can make 6 muffins. Bake these muffins at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. And yes, after 25 minutes these are done. These were so yummy and easy to make also. Guys, do try this recipe, and if you like this video till now, please give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. These muffins are good for breakfast also, as we have used oats, banana, jaggery powder and ghee. So these are really healthy, good for kids also, even adults. How is it?
Nice. Insane. Awesome.
After having snacks, decided to go out. Because of Ramadan, working hours reduced for husband, so he get free little early. It was sudden plan, thought to watch sunset, so we are going to north point of Qatar. Though Qatar is a small country, it has beautiful beaches and so many places to visit. Qatar is a peninsula, so it has beautiful beaches. To see beautiful sunset, we are going to north part of Qatar, that is Al Shamal. Al Shamal is about 100 km from Doha city where I live. So it took around 1.5 hours to reach there. So we were little in doubt whether we could get a sunset or not. But finally we made it. This is Abu Daluf Park. This park is very small, but the best part is it is next to beach. So in winter season it is mostly crowded. As it is next to beach, here we can prepare barbecue, enjoy with family. There is a play area which is closed now because of COVID regulations. Many times we visit this park especially for sunset. This place is very good for photography or for those who like to take their photos with good background. Staring at ocean actually changes our mood, and I feel this is one kind of meditation. The one thing I love most in the world is sunset on beach. The way gentle breeze massages our face with its invisible hand. It's incredible. Sunset is the time when the world around you begins to darken while the sky behind the horizon still glows like multicolor fire in it. And then soon the sun completely disappears behind salty waves. What a lovely evening it was. I hope you could also feel this evening. Here you can see many houses are there. Many people live here next to beach. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this sunset, and at least for few minutes you might be away from your worries. उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम है. So on this note, let's pray together and be strong to fight against this pandemic situation. So it's already dark now. We are going back with lovely moments in our hearts, and I wish you guys also enjoyed this serene sunset. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned until next time. Take care. Bye bye.